This is my process scores problem, which I first started by making a process scores method, which takes in the scanner input and which just goes through and scans the correct text file for my method. And I have a while loop. I have a while loop in my code, which takes in input.next line, which just means that if the text file has a line, a next line, then it would just run through the code until it doesn't. I created two doubles, plus and minus, which is equals to 0, which is just me declaring my variables. And I have a string called name, that is equal to input.nextLine, which just takes in the next line of the input file and creates a string called name. And then I have input.nextLine for the next line, which is equals to sentence, which takes in the next line and just calls it sentence. I have a for loop, which is that's int I starts at 0, and it goes through till I is less, or till I equals to the sentence length. The char symbol equals to the sentence at char dot char at I. So the for loop goes and it starts at 0. So the char symbol would equal to the char at the first index, which is a minus, for example, in our sample input. Then I have if symbol equals minus, then the minus character, then minus would plus 1, and if else, then if symbol equals plus, then plus equals then plus would add 1, and it would go through sorting through these until it reaches the end of the sentence length, which, for example, in this would be 5. So I calculated the percentage, which is just the number of pluses and minuses, 100 divided by the number of pluses and minuses added up, and then I multiply it by the number of pluses, and then I had a println statement that just creates the last line of code or input.